Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have VN and your project open. Now act. Tap the video clip that contains the text and inspect the layer stack. If the title is a text or sticker layer, select it directly and use the delete/trash icon to remove it. If nothing selects, the text is burned into the footage. Make a duplicate of the clip and position it above for masking. Once done, make sure to zoom the timeline for frame-accurate work before proceeding to detailed removal. Now focus on the actual removal method. If the text was editable, you already removed it. Play the segment to confirm timing and remove any residual keyframes. If it's burned in, duplicate the clip, trim to the problem frames, and add a shape mask where the text sits. Then use a nearby clean patch, copy pixels from a clean area, blur and color match, or freeze a frame behind the mask to cover the letters. Make small feather adjustments so the cover blends seamlessly with surrounding pixels. Finish by playing the full timeline and scanning the removed area at full speed. Make sure blend edges aren't obvious. Adjust mask feather, blur strength, and color correction to match adjacent frames, then render using the original resolution and frame rate to avoid new compression artifacts. If you still see ghosting or mismatched frames, revert to the original clip and try a freeze frame patch or a slightly shifted duplicate for better pixel matching. This troubleshooting trick usually hides stubborn burned-in text.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.